In tropical fields, a hidden treasure waits in what most call waste.
After harvest, banana pseudostems, up to 30 kilograms each, are usually discarded or burned. But visionary artisans like Maya see sustainable luxury here.
Banana fiber is strong, renewable, biodegradable, and the base for our $300 eco handbag.
This process creates rural jobs and cuts agricultural waste dramatically. Step 1. Harvest the pseudostems within hours of fruit collection for best fiber quality.
The stems travel just a short distance to keep the carbon footprint low.
Fresh stems are sorted and prepared the same day to preserve moisture and strength.
First, remove the tough outer layers to reach the valuable inner fiber bundles. The prepared sections go into the extraction machine. Mechanical rollers separate the strong bast fibers without harsh chemicals. These raw fibers are soft, yet incredibly tensile, stronger than many synthetics.
Next, thorough washing removes any remaining plant debris.
Natural sun drying begins, eco-friendly and energy-free.
In just a few hours, the fibers are ready for the next transformation.
Sorted by length and quality. Longest fibers for premium yarn.
Carding aligns the fibers parallel for smooth spinning.
Spinning turns loose fibers into strong, uniform yarn.
Yarn is wound onto cones, ready for weaving or further processing.
Some factories process fibers into sheet material for vegan leather.
Natural binders and fibers are blended into a pulp.
The mixture is spread into thin, uniform sheets.
Heat and pressure bond the material into flexible, durable sheets.
The result: premium plant-based leather alternative.
For woven versions, yarn becomes warp and weft on traditional or modern looms.
The rhythmic clack of the loom brings fabric to life.
Strong, breathable, and uniquely textured, ready for design.
Patterns are drawn for our signature $300 eco handbag style.
Precise cutting ensures minimal waste.
Each piece is cut with care for perfect fit.
Preparation for stitching. Holes for strong seams.
Reinforced stitching creates durable structure.
Careful assembly gives the bag its elegant shape.
Straps are reinforced for everyday strength.
High-quality hardware adds luxury feel and longevity.
Smooth closures make the bag practical and beautiful.
Thoughtful lining adds comfort and polish.
Artisan touches elevate it to premium status.
Meticulous quality check at every stage.
Light yet sturdy, perfect balance for daily use.
Eco-friendly finish protects and enhances texture.
Ready for packaging and proud display.
Minimal, sustainable packaging tells the story.
From discarded stem to elegant accessory in just weeks.
Every step honors the material and the planet.
This creates meaningful jobs in rural areas, reduces air pollution and methane from waste. Some brands replant banana crops sustainably.
Stylish, ethical luxury that tells a story.
One bag saves stems equivalent to several plants. Small choices create big change.
Demand drives more factories and less waste.
Thank you for watching the journey of the $300 Eco Handbag.
Under magnification, banana fiber reveals its strong, hollow structure, naturally breathable.
Unlike traditional leather, banana material is vegan, cruelty-free, and far lower in water use. The grade A fibers for outer bag panels, shorter ones for linings or straps. Hand carding ensures premium alignment for luxury feel.
Traditional spinning adds character. Modern machines scale it sustainably.
Tensile strength rivals cotton, ideal for durable handbags.
For color variety, we use eco dyes, no harsh chemicals.
Sunsetting fixes natural colors gently.
Precision warping prevents flaws in the final weave.
Patterns add elegance. Subtle texture tells the eco story.
Zero defect standard before cutting. Pressed sheets mimic leather grain naturally.
Soft yet tough, ages beautifully like fine leather.
Accurate cuts minimize material loss.
Skiving creates clean, professional joins.
Reinforced seams handle daily wear.
Artisan embroidery adds unique character.
Secure, rust-proof hardware chosen for longevity.
Rigid base keeps shape over time.
Every bag passes rigorous multi-point check.
Natural wax treatment repels light rain. Proven durability matches premium standards. StoryTag shares the journey from stem to bag.
Packaging uses minimal, recyclable materials.
From tote to crossbody, each priced at $300 for fair value.
Versatile craftsmanship from the same humble stem.
Empowering rural women with skilled jobs.
Closed loop system. Stems harvested, fields replenish.
Each bag prevents stems from rotting or burning. Saves thousands of liters per bag compared to animal leather.
This material changes lives and landscapes, one choice at a time.
Worn proudly, ethical luxury feels good.
Growing demand fuels more innovation.
Sustainable farming cycles continue.
From field dawn to factory dusk, a full circle.
Accessible elegance with profound impact.
Biodiversity thrives when waste becomes resource.
The journey ends where it began, rooted in nature.
Human touch at every sustainable step. Your purchase plants seeds of change.
Scaling hope, one handbag at a time.
Families benefit from steady, dignified work.
Transparent standards you can trust.
Blends seamlessly with an eco-conscious life.
Develops patina, gets better with time.
Thank you for following this remarkable transformation.
Directed with care for our planet. Honoring every hand in the chain.
Join the movement.
A small stem, a big future.
Nature's gift, reimagined.
Learn more and make your choice.